Mouse is a pointing device that has two buttons that we use for click, select, move, drag, all these things. And one is right click and another one is left click. And middle of these two buttons you have a wheel that we use for scrolling. Okay, using scroller you can use for vertical scroller bars that you will find in any of the applications when you are using computer. And as we saw different types of keyboards before, we have different types of mouse also. The types you are going to learn under mouse is a mechanical mouse, optical mouse, wireless mouse, air mouse and touch mouse. Let me shift to my PPT, then I'll show you the figures in big size. So first we'll be learning about mechanical mouse. Mechanical mouse looks like this. You might have not seen this, as we nowadays these mouse has been replaced by optical mouse. Okay, the key even the mouse we have in our computer labs are of optical mouse. Those are kind of optical mouse. But in mechanical mouse, the difference you can see is there will be a ball at the bottom. At the center where there will be a ball, as you can see here. Using this, when you move your mouse, this ball rotates on the surface wherever you keep the mouse, and that changes the position of the pointer on the screen. Okay, so that ball detects the surface wherever you keep your mouse, and the pointer moves along with that. Okay, that was the, and even in some of the mouses we had a button again in the place of a scroller. In the place of wheel you will be having a scroller. I'm sorry, you will be having a button. Okay, this is nothing but mechanical mouse. The pointer will be detected using a ball. Okay, and the second type of the definition for a mechanical mouse is written here. Whatever I told you, the same thing. The ball rolls with these movements. Next type of mouse is optical mouse. This is the type of mouse what you see nowadays. In the place of ball we will have a light. We'll have a LED light using what that light, that laser light, I'm sorry, that light detects the surface, and that moves the pointer on the screen. Okay, difference between mechanical mouse and optical mouses. In mechanical mouse you had a ball to detect the surface and move the pointer, but in case of optical mouse you will be having a light, okay, to detect the surface. Yeah, next that is a laser light. Okay, it's a laser light that detects the surface. And next type of mouse is wireless mouse. As we had a wireless keyboard, we have wireless mouse also. Wireless mouse, again you will be using a Bluetooth mouse. There will be a Bluetooth device like this. This will be connected permanently to the device. Not permanently, it will, you can use it like a pen drive, but you can't store something. This is just a Bluetooth device. This device should be connected to your laptop or computer, to the CPU. And once it is connected, you switch on the mouse. The mouse can be used without the wire. Okay, wireless is without wire. Okay, this is what wireless mouse is. Next type of mouse is air mouse. This is a new type of mouse. We might have not used it. Mainly this is used for gaming purpose, while playing game. Uh, this identifies the motion of your mouse on your hands on the air, in the air, and it moves the control. It moves the objects on the screen. On the air itself you have to hold this mouse and you have to move, and it identifies your directions, what you move on the air, and it moves the objects on the screen. This is the example for air mouse. It just looks like your TV remote, right? Even this comes with a keyboard also. Okay, even keyboard can be used. on air, and you have to hold like this, and you can use as you use remote control to your TV. But this also detects your directions. What if you move your hands around, even these mouse air mouse will identify the position of your objects. Okay, this is called air mouse. And next type of mouse is touch mouse. Touch mouse is nothing but just using some, as you use your phone's touch screens, everything will be done using a touch, right? So even in the mouse also we have a type called touch mouse. Here you can see it's just simply a plain mouse. You don't have a separate buttons. You don't have left click or right click. Even you don't have a scroller wheel at the center. Just you can touch. If you want to click somewhere, left click will, in this place you can touch, and if it is right click you can just give a touch here, and if it is scroll you have to just move your finger from top to bottom like this, so that scrolls. The work of wheel will be done like that. So touch mouse is completely a simple plain object where you can apply the instructions using touch. So that is what touch mouse. Okay, next, yeah, these are the different types of mouse. One is mechanical mouse, optical mouse, wireless mouse, and air mouse and touch mouse. So one, two, three, four, five types of mouse we saw. So these were, this is second type of input device, right? So we saw what is keyboard and we saw mouse. Next, we are in the third one, third input device. It is touchpad. We are in input devices. Okay, remember that. So, touchpad is nothing but a surface where if you touch that, those instructions will be sent to the processor, and processor acts on it, and after processing it will be applied, displayed on your screen. Okay, the best example for this is your our laptop touchpads. Okay, see, laptop touchpads where we use without the mouse also, you can use this using your finger. Many actions you can do on the touchpad, like clicking, double click, pinch, and enlarge, right? All these things can be done on a touchpad. The best example for touchpad is your laptop touchpad. Yeah, that is what touchpad is. uh, Next input device is joystick. Joystick, all of you know that you might have used joystick for playing games, right? It is just like a lever like structure that is mounted on a base, and you can move that lever around, so that you will change the directions or objects which is there on your screen, and also you can control different things on the screen. Okay, that is what you have done for the games, right? So same thing, joystick, these are different designs of joysticks you will use for games. So all of you might be knowing these devices. This is also an input device, okay, that takes your instructions from this is called a lever. Holding it, if you can move it in all directions, and that will be considered as the object's directions that you are instructing to move on the game, or whatever the object that you have on your screen. Yeah, this is called joystick, and it is a input device. Let us move to next input device, it graphic tablet. Graphic tablet is also called as digitizer. It is also called as digitizer, and you this device is used with a special pen. It is called as stylus. Using it you can draw images and you can write on it.